How to cancel your order on Temu and get your money back. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to cancel your order on Temu and get your money back. To cancel an order using the Temu app, sign in to your account first. Next, select the user avatar at the bottom of the screen and click Your Orders from the main menu. Now, find the relevant order under All Orders and click Cancel or Other Help. Follow the instructions on the screen and select I want to cancel the items. Click All at the bottom of the screen to select all items for cancellation and submit. You will get a refund confirmation in your message inbox. To cancel an order using the Temu website, sign in to your account first. Next, click the user avatar in the top right corner of the screen and click Your Orders from the left-hand menu. Find the relevant order under All Orders and click Cancel or Other Help. Now follow the instructions on the screen and select I want to cancel the items. Click All at the top of the list. Scroll to the bottom of the page to click Cancel Checked Items. Then, you will get a refund confirmation in your message inbox. If your order has already been packed, unfortunately, they will not be able to cancel your order. However, almost all items are returnable within 90 days of purchase. Now, wait for your order to arrive and then request a refund. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.